Alerts are a great way to stay in the loop about what's going on with your device. Let me show you how to set them up. Start by clicking on your name in the top right-hand corner. Then click Account Settings and scroll down to Email/Text Alerts. Your email may already be listed here. If it is, you can click Edit to add alerts to your existing contact, or click New Contact to set up an additional email or text alert. To create a new contact, you can type in an email address or click Text to add a phone number. Once your contact information is entered, you can select the alerts you'd like to subscribe to. Keep in mind, you'll need to create a geofence first in order to receive geofence alerts. We recommend turning on power status all so you can be notified of any power disconnects or intermittent power issues. For speed alerts, we'll need to send a separate command to your device to initialize that feature, and we're happy to set that up for you. You can also turn on the impound lot alert, which notifies you if any of your devices are detected in an impound location, and upcoming renewals, which will let you know when your devices are coming up due. Once you've selected everything you want, click Create. You should start receiving alerts shortly. If you have any questions or want us to set this up for you, please reach out at 800-578-1809 or support@gpsandtrack.com. We're always happy to help.